the fuck?
Hey, squirrel. What? Just wants to be friends. Come here, squirrely. What are you doing? What are you doing? You just chilling on our porch with us? Is that what you're doing?
I just zoomed right into his face.
Oh my god. What are you doing? You think you're cool?
This is the dopest squirrel.
I think it is. I've never seen a squirrel act like this.
Me neither.
Fucking weird.
Even my pet squirrel wasn't this chill.
Oh, it's coming closer. What are you doing?
What's up, bro? It's like a crackhead squirrel.
you that crackhead squirrel? He just robs us. He pulls out a gun.
It's like, oh shit, I think I'm having a heart attack.
Yeah, it's like holding its eye. Look at that's what they do when they're calm.
Really?
Yeah, they chatter their teeth like
People
that.
are gonna comment on this. No, they don't. That's what they do when they fucking have rabies.
Yeah,
Whoa.
you're a little too close there, squirrel.
Yeah, buddy.
I don't know if you're gonna try to kill us.
Come back, no. Don't do that weird tail thing, man. Shit's weird.
At least it's scared of us, though. So I mean, like in a way.
Whoa, man.
Yo, back off! Yo, get out of here! Get!
We don't like your kind around here.
I'm looking at you! Get out of here! Yeah, you! Now you can come back.
Just come back.
Come on back. Come here. Come here. You can come back.
Ah.
Yo, get back! You're too close. Too close. It's still just chilling. Why wouldn't it have ran away? This is the weirdest squirrel.
Hey, come back.
Where you going? Oh, hey. Hey, what's up? It's probably hungry. Not enough nuts in the world.
Come back.
Come here, squirrely. Squirrely. You're like, oh, it's down there, man. Not even like running away. I mean, it kind of is, but not like a normal squirrel. What are you doing? What are you doing, squirrel? That's weird.
That is weird. It's just like looking into our souls.
Yeah. Alright, I'm done videotaping this shit.
I don't know, it's gonna do something crazy.